Today you are coming with me. This is going to be more of a vlog style video, and I'm just going to kind of show you some stuff that I do in my regular everyday life. I also have been away from YouTube for a little bit. For that I apologize. We'll do another video about that, but for now I'm going to get started with my work. And we are at my shop. I've already unlocked it, so I'm just going to go in. Here we have a lot of projects waiting for us. So we have a dresser that is going to be all white. And these are the drawers for that dresser. The next project we have is this table. This table has been around for a while and it just needs a little bit of a touch-up. So the top we're actually going to repaint entirely black because there are a couple of scuffs in there that we need to sand down. Bottom, we are working on painting antique white, just like the dresser. The next project that we're going to be working on is this table. It's actually an oval coffee table. So we're going to be finishing the furniture to make more room so we can do woodworking. These are the drawers of a beautiful vintage waterfall style dressing table that I am working on right now. I'll show you the finished product very soon because it's going to be in my new YouTube room. And I made a rhyme. Next item. This right here is also a waterfall style dressing table. But this is actually going to be up for sale. We've had it done for a while. We advertised it for a while, but unfortunately I didn't get any biters. And the funny thing is, I think it's actually beautiful. Like, I took a lot of time to make this waterfall style dressing table. There is a video that shows how I did it, and I will definitely link that in the description below and put the thumbnail right here so you guys can see it. It's one of my more popular videos and it's very informative, so I hope that you watch that next. I will put it on the end screen as well. This table right here is almost done. It is painted black and it's also distressed. The top got scratches on it while we had it in our house. I love my kids. So I did have to repaint the top black. I just need to distress the top and then clear coat it again. So that's the next project. Then as we walk out the door, we have our next project. And this project is a dresser. As you can see, the dresser does need a paint job. And guess what color we're going to paint it? Antique white. The dresser is missing the top drawer. We're going to make a shelf for this space, and it will be an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch furniture grade plywood. So that way you'll have a place to put towels or linens or other things like that. As you can see, it's also missing the back. So what we're going to do with the back, we're just going to simply add some backer board. So that will be really easy. So all these projects, once they're done, I will definitely show you, but it might be in another video. We'll see how far we get here. If you have not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't need to hit the notification bell, I don't want to bug you. But subscribe so you don't miss out on all the fun things that I post. I post all kinds of creative things on this channel, such as wigs, beauty, furniture painting, woodworking, crafts, and so much more. I'm really happy to have you here, so keep watching and I will keep showing you what I do in a day. We also have these really cool gold tables. I found them on the side of the road. So we're going to take and paint them black. We're going to actually use a nice lacquer spray paint. After that, as you can see, there's a piece missing. It was probably glass. But we're going to go ahead and use an 1/8 inch of furniture grade plywood to fill the holes in. There's one on the little side table sort of thing, on the big side table sort of thing, correct me, sorry. And then on this large coffee table, there's actually 4 places that are missing. So we're going to do that same thing. So a nice black right here, nice and black, and the top's going to be black too, just the whole thing. And then wood that is stained in a darker color right through here. I think it's going to be beautiful, so we shall see. We have an entire situation here full of furniture that we are going to be refinishing. And we're going to be doing it with a quickness because we're making room for new and exciting things. So, like I said, hit that subscribe to see what's going to happen. Next project we're going to do is actually this armoire. It has 2 doors, as you can see. We're going to go ahead and take those ugly wooden handles off, likely, and replace them with some nice, maybe antique brass. It does have a drawer at the bottom, which once again, that handle will be replaced with antique brass. Where are they? I will probably touch up these hinges with a little bit of gold. And guess what color we're gonna paint it? Antique white. And we are still hard at work with our furniture. I'm getting ready to go outside to figure out what chairs to use for the round table, and I will show you the progress of the round table as well. So welcome to day 2. And this is where we keep all of our extra chairs, and we are finding some extra junk that we need to get rid of. So it's just a dog kennel that we have locked up, and then we have, what's that called? And then we have particle board on the top for the roof, and a tarp over that. So that's kind of the setup we have here because we don't have a lot of space, and yes, this looks like a lot of junk, but we do have a lot of creative plans for this junk. This chair right here, very, very dirty. You might remember it from a video from way back in the day. I'm actually going to be refinishing this chair and getting it all cleaned up here pretty soon. That green, dirty, yucky one right there. But that's it for here. So we're going to pick 4 chairs for the table, and then we are going to move on with finishing up the dining table and getting it sold. And we finally decided on chairs. They are going to be all different, and we will have 2 white and 2 black. The 2 that are on the ends are going to be black, and the 2 in the middle are going to be white. This is the table that we were working on. We got the bottom painted white, top painted black, and we might, we'll see, we got this Jolie brand finishing wax. When we do use it, I will do a review on the wax for you guys and show you like how it goes on and give you my honest opinion. You know, on this channel, I actually keep it real. Be sure to let me know in the comments if you want to see the finished projects. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to help support the channel. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video.